The Public Works Division is responsible for the operation and maintenance of the city's infrastructure, which includes streets, sanitary sewer, storm drains, bridges, and flood control. Our 1,300 employees pick up debris, fill potholes, service your sewers, and keep tabs on code violators, among other tasks. In addition, the division is responsible for the collection and disposal of cities' solid waste and the transport and treatment of both domestic and industrial wastewater for the metropolitan area. Here to talk more about Public Works is Director Robert Knecht.
Thanks, Andre. So many of you may ask yourself, what is Public Works and what do we do? And Public Works provides a lot of critical services to our citizens. We collect wastewater and treat wastewater. We have thousands of miles of streets that we maintain. We have major storm drainage systems that we are also responsible for. And we also have code enforcement, which is responsible for our housing code. So there's a lot of interesting functions that we do that are really instrumental to the services that our citizens expect. Some of the more interesting things you would see as you were to work for Public Works is like when you work at one of our wastewater treatment plants. We need mechanical operators, individuals who are responsible for making sure that our wastewater treatment plants are functioning properly. And this kind of job, you're working at an industrial facility that treats wastewater. And, it's unique in its nature. You're going to be experiencing different types of environments where you might have not acclimated yourself to, because wastewater doesn't smell always the best. It can be somewhat of a challenging environment, but it's also a rewarding opportunity because it offers a great growth opportunity. We're always growing in the needs of the operations over there, so we always try to bring and promote individuals within. Over in our code enforcement operation, we need commercial code enforcement inspectors. We need people who have the right certificates and licensures, who are familiar with our international building codes, to help us monitor and manage our commercial properties that we are tasked with monitoring from our anti-neglect perspective. So we're looking for individuals who come to work, who will go out, inspect commercial properties and verify that they are in compliance with our codes, and then working with the property owners as businesses to achieve compliance. If they don't, then we have a process to get them in environmental court. And then, that inspector would be involved in, informing the judge, informing the court on the status and being able to respond and update the court accordingly. The city also has a need for pipe layers. Pipe layers are another unique function that city governments provide. We have thousands and thousands of sewer or storm drain pipes in the ground, as I mentioned before, that we have to maintain. So those individuals are responsible for going out and replacing those damaged pipes. It is a really critical role to make sure that infrastructure is functioning. So we are pretty much regularly needing a pipe layer within Public Works to come to and help us fill that role, fill that position. We need equipment operators. We need individuals with commercial driver's licenses to drive trucks and bring the materials and supplies to the field to support those functions that we talked about as well. Typically, the driver is either Class B or Class A commercial driver's license. And again, very instrumental, very necessary. We are always constantly looking for individuals to fill that role as well. Those are another great growth opportunity roles. Many of our equipment operators progress to be foremen and other members of management that we also requiring a commercial driver's license. So there's another great growth opportunity. One of the main goals in Public Works is to grow internally. We try to promote within first before we look to outside to bring in individuals to those roles that many of them want to grow into. So if you come to work at Public Works and you desire to grow, want to invest in yourself, or we will help you invest in yourself, then please look at these opportunities and please apply. The city needs individuals to fill these roles. We have a lot of areas to cover. We have a big city, a lot of important functions, a lot of important services, and hope that we can, through this process, bring on individuals who want to serve. If you are interested or know someone who's interested in filling one of these positions or submitting your resume for consideration, please visit the City of Memphis' website at www.memphistn.gov/careers.
Thank you, Director Knecht, for that information. If you'd like a rewarding career with Public Works, please visit our website at memphistn.gov/careers.